Hey, it's another little Wayne bite, just a little taste of this and that, and I really don't do a lot of commission work, but I did this coffee table for two very dear friends, and it was a really fun labor of love. The cool part of it was I started off with some magazine images of different type of coffee tables. They picked one they liked. I took that and sketched out an idea, and they kind of liked that. And then I put the whole thing together as a cardboard piece, so they could take a look at the cardboard thing, and we adjusted it based on that as well. And so finally, after a little bit of time and effort, here's the final version. Combination of Prairie versus arts and crafts versus a little my own inspiration and style. I don't do a lot of commission work. I don't really want to do a lot of commission work because it's a lot of work and takes time. And if you really want some high-end stuff, you should actually use my friend Don Henry. He's amazing, and he gave me a lot of advice on this project. And right after we put it together, we actually put it right to good use. Some really tasty sweets and a nice cup of coffee.